Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Dropbox account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Dropbox account online on your computer, first open up your Google Chrome or your preferred browser on your computer, and after that click on the search bar at the top of the screen and enter address dropbox.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Dropbox. And on this interface guys, you can see at the top right corner of the screen there's a login button available for us over here. Just click on the login button over here and you'll be on this interface where you can see guys my email address is already entered, but you can also directly log in with your Google or your Apple account from these buttons. If you click on either of these buttons, a login page to your Google or Apple account will open, and if you log into your respective account, you'll be signed into your Dropbox with your Google or your Apple account. And with that being said guys, enter your email address over here with which you had signed off on Dropbox for a manual login, and click on continue. And on the next step you'll be required to enter your password, whichever may it be. And after entering your password guys, click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your Dropbox account online on your computer. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says forgot your password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve or reset your password. And with that being said guys, click on login and you'll be signed into your Dropbox account. And there guys, this is how to log into your Dropbox account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.